In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin to your Gusto Payroll account. If you need to give someone administrative access in Gusto, this process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish so you know exactly what to look for at each stage. To begin, sign into your Gusto account. Make sure you're using an account that already has permission to manage collaborators, since you'll need the right access level to add a new admin. Once you're logged in, go to the People section. This is where Gusto organizes information related to the individuals connected to your company account, including team members and collaborators. Inside People, click on the Collaborators tab. This area is specifically designed for accountants, admins, and other outside or internal users who may need access to help manage payroll and account settings. From there, click Add a Collaborator. This opens the form where you'll enter the new admin's information. Fill in their first name, last name, and email address carefully. It's especially important to double-check the email address, because that's where the invitation will be sent. If there's a typo, the person may not receive the invite. Next, select the relationship to your organization. Choose the option that best matches how this person works with your business. This helps Gusto categorize the collaborator correctly and can also make it easier to manage access later. After that, look for the Access Permissions section. Here, choose Global Admin. This permission level gives the person broad access to manage important areas of the account, so it's a good idea to pause for a moment and make sure this is the level of access you truly want to grant. Before finishing, review the permissions shown on screen. Take a careful look so you understand what the new admin will be able to view or manage. This is an important step because administrative access can affect payroll, employee information, and company settings. When everything looks correct, click Save Collaborator. At that point, Gusto will send an invitation email to the person you added. They'll need to open that email and accept the invitation to activate their access. Once they've accepted, return to the Collaborators tab and verify that the new admin appears in the list. This final check confirms that the invitation was completed successfully and that the account now shows the new administrator correctly. And that's it. You've successfully added an admin to your Gusto Payroll account. Thanks for watching.